Our journey began at Connear Manufacturing Factory. We met people at Connear. People here make doors, door frames, windows, and window frames. What is the hardest part of the job?
Why did you choose to work in a factory?
Well, I kind of worked my way up to get into a factory, right? I started as an installer doing doors and windows, and decided in the long run, I just enjoyed the actual factory side of it, and I enjoy the fact that it's different every day. It's not the same thing, and I like new and different challenges.
Is it fun working here?
I enjoy it.
Everything has to flow. And we have to keep everybody safe. Every day is something new in this department. We don't have the same schedule every day, so every day is something a little bit different. It's the same concept in the end of the day, but the day is a little bit different each day.
We deal with people from all over the country, and everybody has a different set of skills, so we're constantly teaching or communicating with our customers on lead times and prices and things like that, and it's challenging to get all the information across to everybody in a way that they can understand it.